वो बदला नहीं पाया है जीता इंतजार सी हाय रब्बा वही दिल आया है.
Were you expecting Animal to be this big hit?
No, never. I knew that it's going to be a big film, but not this big. Never.
Animal Park कब आ रही है?
Oh God, पता नहीं, मुझे पता ही नहीं है. मैं खुद जानना चाहता हूँ कि कब आ रही है. अभी वो पुरानी वाली नहीं खत्म हो रही है.
Do people really fail as an actor or like what it is?
4 लोगों को ऐसे बिठा लेते हैं अपने साथ और बोलते हैं एक दिन मैं फाड़ दूंगा, एक दिन मैं कर दूंगा. क्या कर देगा?
पंकज जी को शायद 18 साल लग गए थे, 13 साल लग गए थे. वो अभी जाने गए हैं पंकज त्रिपाठी के नाम से. कुछ लोग उम्मीद छोड़ देते हैं, कुछ लोग गिव अप कर देते हैं.
मैं तो यहाँ बैठा हूँ बॉम्बे में 10 साल से और मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ. मेरे को कुछ काम मिल रहा नहीं है. काम मिलेगा नहीं. You have to get up.
You have worked so closely with Ranbir Kapoor, and you know him being a star kid. Was there any tantrums that he showed or anything like that?
अगर वो टेंटम दिखा दे सीन कैसे बनेगा? How can he be such a beautiful actor? She was very vulnerable. आप उससे बात करो या उसके साथ सीन करो ना तो बहुत छोटी चीजें होती है उसकी आँख के पीछे और ऐसे छोटा वो बहुत बड़ा नहीं करती पर छोटा कुछ होता रहता है. शहनाज is always an impulsive woman. She is very extrovert, impulsive. She speaks her mind out. वो डरती नहीं है किसी से, कुछ भी बोलती है.
So today we have with us the man who is given light, who's shown light to many actors, जिन्होंने कई actors को शायद acting सिखाई है. जो
शायद नहीं पक्का सिखाई.
हाँ सर माइक पे बोलिए वापस.
पक्का सिखाई.
एकदम पक्का सिखाई है. The man who doesn't like Nescafe or brew.
I like brew.
No, do not lie. He's like, I like beans.
Are we advertising Nescafe?
No, just he doesn't. So I mean that he doesn't like simple coffee. His taste is expensive, I guess. With years, it has become expensive, or like you are expensive as a.
No, मुंबई आते हो तो आप बन ही जाते हो वैसे, right? You have to be in this show business, so you have to show everything.
So are you just like showing, pretending it, or are you like?
I'm always pretending. I'm always performing.
Are you pretending here as well with me?
Let's see. We will check. अभी 1 घंटा है हम एक साथ शायद.
बिल्कुल शायद तो नहीं सर, पक्का. शायद नहीं है यहाँ, but keeping everything apart, the man जिनका टैलेंट, जिनकी एक्टिंग वॉल्यूम में स्पीक हुई है, स्पेशली आफ्टर एनिमल सर. व्हाट एनिमल हैज गिवन यू इज समथिंग विच इज़ वॉल्यूम. मास्टर ऑडियंस सब जानने लगे हैं और इट इज़ एन ऑनर फॉर फिल्मी ज्ञान टू होस्ट यू हियर. देयर आर फैंस हियर जो कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाले हैं. some of them are interested in acting, so शायद उससे सवालात रहेंगे. और आपके लिए एक स्पेशल लास्ट में सेगमेंट भी है. ही लाइक प्लीज़ वो कर दो सबसे पहले. बट मैं दिशा जसोरिया आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करना चाहूँगी ऑन पब्लिक डिमांड पावर्ड बाय फिल्मी ज्ञान पर. कैसे हैं आप? इतना बोल के मैंने अब पूछा. मैं सोच रही हूँ मैंने इतना बकबक करके अब पूछा है कि कैसे हैं आप? कैसे हैं आप?
मैं काफ़ी रिलैक्स हूँ. ओवरवेल्म हूँ थोड़ा सा, बट आई एम रिलैक्स.
आपकी परमिशन हो तो मैं बैठ जाऊँ?
प्लीज, whenever you want, it's your place.
तो ये जो शो मैंने खोला है, it's more about द people who have come interacting with you and not me. मुझे तो इंटरव्यूज होते रहते हैं तो आई गेट अ चांस टू देखते रहते हैं लोग क्या होता है. मुझे तो आपसे इंटरेक्शन, बातचीत करने का मौका मिल जाता है. बट विद फैंस इट्स डिफरेंट. दे हैव क्यूरियस क्वेश्चंस, देयर माइंड, उनके दिमाग में 100 चीज़ें चल रही होती है बट कभी रूबरू होके पूछने का मौका नहीं मिलता है. सो आज मैं कम बकबक करूँगी बट वो लोग ज़्यादा बकबक करके आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे. सो आर यू रेडी फॉर सम क्वेश्चंस, गुड क्वेश्चंस?
Fully ready.
And are you going to pretend?
Let's see. It depends on the question.
But still, in general life, are you very diplomatic when you give
I'm not.
answers?
I'm not. Like you, I know you're making it for the future, but but yeah, I am not.
You're not.
Yeah.
You're not diplomatic.
No.
We'll see that. 1 घंटे में हमको पक्का पता चलेगा कि is he diplomatic or not.
Yes, yes,
ठीक है? Are you ready?
Yeah.
So I would request guys you to take over, come here and ask him questions. So let's go.
Hello, sir. First of
Hello.
all, welcome to Filme Gyan.
Sorry.
Welcome to Filme Gyan. My question is, you have worked so closely with Ranbir Kapoor, and you know him being a star kid. Was there any tantrums that he showed or anything like that?
Nobody does that. This is बकवास बातें हैं ये मैं मेरे को लगता है कि nobody does that. Everyone is human and if they are good actors, they want the professional. They work there, they connect. They know how to connect to the co-actor because they know how that is how the scene will be made. Right? अगर वो टेंटम दिखा दे सीन कैसे बनेगा? How can he be such a beautiful actor, being a star also? He's such a beautiful actor, such a powerful actor, versatile actor. If he doesn't connect to me, अगर मेरे से connect नहीं हो रहा है या किसी actor से connect नहीं हो रहा है, and he can perform so well, it's not possible. In my understanding from last so many years, जब भी मैंने अच्छे actors को देखा है या मैंने खुद पढ़ा है, जब मैंने दो student को काम करते हुए देखा है, if they're not connecting, then they will not able to create a great scene. So he was always connected. He was very humble and very respectful, and he knew कि सामने एक अच्छा actor है, उसके साथ काम करना है, तो he was giving and taking, and yeah.
True. And ये बोलते हैं कि सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान जैसी जो legacy है, वो कोई छोड़ नहीं सकता. But we feel कि रणबीर कपूर can do it.
Yeah.
Do you feel like that?
Yeah, why not? He has everything. He's very versatile, very powerful actor. He understands the business well. He is doing great films. Yeah, maybe.
But then if I have to ask you this one thing, when you mentioned that it's very important between two actors to, you know, reciprocate, to communicate and have that connection. कभी कभी ऐसा हुआ है that आप एक सीन बिल्ड कर रहे हो but you don't have that connect with सामने वाला इंसान and it has become difficult for you to perform then? Or does it depends on then your craft and skill?
Yeah, it depends on craft and skill, and also long back I heard from one of my coach. He said, "Whoever is in front of you, that's life happening.
Okay.
That person is still breathing, right? You can use his nervousness, his consciousness, his not openness to build.
Yeah,
That's the reality.
Yeah.
Like अगर हम दोनों यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं and you're open, then I will work with that. If you're not open, then I will work from that. That's the reality of that moment. So I will use the reality of what is the moment. ये भगवान ने इतना ही दिया है अब, तो इसी को use करो, right? इसी के साथ काम करो with full understanding, full being. I go more deeper कि where is this person coming from? Why is he or she so close or nervous or conscious? So then I use that in to build up the performance between both of us. Yeah.
But also when you guys were there on the sets together, shooting the climax and everything, everyone was aware that you are an acting coach as well. So कभी उस इसमें आपने मदद की है सीन में जाके?
नहीं कभी भी नहीं. मैं सेट पे जाके कभी किसी की मदद नहीं करता हूँ. जब तक कोई मेरे से अगर पूछ ले तो हाँ पूछ ले तो then I will might want to say something, but I don't want to be in the coach shoe. I want to be in an actor shoe. Right? I have to play the scene. Right? Not talk about the scene और उसके बारे में इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं देनी है, उसके बारे में समझाना नहीं है, अभी मुझे खुद करना है. Like one is riding the bicycle and one is talking about the bicycle, right? So this time I don't have to talk. I have to ride the bicycle और उसमें जो बैलेंस इधर उधर होगा या मैं नर्वस होऊंगा या कॉन्शियस, मेरे को उससे भी डील करना है. मुझे अपने को एक्टर से डील करना है, राइट? सब कुछ करना है. पर मैं बाहर से मेरा एक दिमाग वो नहीं चल सकता कि ओ आई एम अ कोच, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू ओ ये नहीं सही किया, ये सही किया.
Do you still get nervous? Like, is it
I get
him
nervous.
being an acting coach knows all the tricks, tips and everything, but Saurabh sir अभी भी nervous होते हैं नहीं होते?
Yes. I get nervous, and if I don't get nervous, that's a problem. Because then I'm not challenging myself.
Okay.
Whenever you're going to challenge yourself, the body reaction is to get anxious, nervous, fearful.
Yeah.
Whenever, right? If you're not getting all these feelings, then that means you're in your comfort zone and you're not taking risk and you're not growing. And if you don't grow, you're not happy. So if I don't get nervous, that is the problem. मतलब नर्वसनेस ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे बंद कर देगा, पर नर्वसनेस टू what can I do? What can I find? What is happening? Oh, so then I've become more curious in that nervousness, right? It's like a childlike energy which wants to go behind that tree. He's nervous, but he wants to go behind.
Yeah.
But he's not going back home, right? So that is the kind of nervousness I need. पर ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बिल्कुल सब कुछ भूल जाऊंगा या फिर मैं बंद कर दूंगा या मैं अपनी वैनिटी में या अपने घर पे चले जाऊंगा. नहीं, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. That's not. Nervousness is to be more curious. What's अब पीछे पेड़ के पीछे कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything can come, and that is what is beautiful for an actor, because actor should not be fully in control. He should be little off balance,
Okay.
like walking on a rope. How do they walk on a rope? इधर गिरे तुम रे इधर गिरे. But the person who can walk, he needs a lot of balance, a lot of understanding, right?
Is that.
Yeah.
Second question, आज बहुत ज्ञान मिलने वाला है guys.
Hello sir, I'm Apurva.
Yes.
So my question to you is, like in Animal, you and Bobby sir share most of the screen time together. So did you saw any kind of nervousness in him, as it was a short break, comeback for him too? So was there any nervousness in him that you saw?
I think he was very excited. I was after a long time when we were doing, क्योंकि हम मेरे को याद है कि हम पहले वो वाला सीक्वेंस कर रहे थे जो उन दोनों का फाइट सीक्वेंस है.
Like that was the very first thing which got shot.
That was the sequence we were doing, and he was so comfortable. He was so comfortable in that. And when he used to do his shot and he used to come on the monitor, मैं बोला, you're looking so handsome and so comfortable, so powerful. And yeah, he was actually owning that work, and you can see that in his performance. Like what he was doing in every shot, like वो उंगली रख के जो रोना भी है उसमें भी इतना ऐसा लगता है he's there, he's just in the moment, it's just happening, he's not planning anything. So I was in awe of Bobby sir for the first time. It was like wow. Yeah.
So, and it was a big thing for you too, for Saurabh Sachdeva also, the whole role and everything. You were phenomenal. So,
Thank you.
what was your experience like about that?
I was initially very skeptical कि मुझे ये फिल्म करनी है कि नहीं करनी है, राइट? जब मैं पहली बार संदीप सर से मिला था तो मुझे लगा था कि क्या हो रहा है फिल्म में, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था, राइट? और इतनी बड़ी कास्ट है तो मैं तो गुम ना हो जाऊँ. सो मैं उनसे पहली बार मिला और टी सीरीज़ के ऑफिस में, और मैं नीचे उतरा और मैंने अपने मैनेजर को फ़ोन किया और मैंने बोला आई एम नॉट श्योर आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस. तो तुम पागल हो, अगले साल की सबसे बड़ी फिल्म होने वाली है एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी. सो मैंने कहा बट मेरे को स्टोरी अभी तक क्लियर नहीं हुई. तो कह रहा है एक बार और मिलो उनसे. एंड देन आई मेट अगेन एंड आई थिंक थर्ड टाइम, एंड देन ही सेड ओके आई. मैंने कहा मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा कौन सा वर्ड है ये. तो ही सेड लेट्स गो ऑन एडिट. और फिर एडिट पे उन्होंने मुझे कौन से वाले सीन दिखाए, मास्क वाले. आई गॉट मोर कंफ्यूज.
Am I going to be the masked man or what?
What is this? And then he said, I'll show you one more scene. Tripti, your student. तो मैंने बोला हाँ उसका भी, तो she is there. मैंने, and then he showed me Ranbir and Tripti's scene. And वो जो बाहर लॉन में बैठे होते हैं, and very beautiful. So I said, all right. So then Saurabh, the writer, he started narrating me few more scenes. And I said, okay, I'll do it. And honestly, throughout the film, I was very confused.
Okay.
I was very confused.
Till the end?
Till the end. I was very confused. Right? And I was not sure कि मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो सही है कि नहीं है.
क्या आपको since you were very confused ऐसा कुछ था, वही दिमाग में चल रहा था that were you expecting Animal to be this big hit?
No, never. I knew that it's going to be a big film, but not this big. Never. मुझे और आप किसी भी फिल्म के बारे में नहीं बता सकते. Like my one of these small film which जो 3-4 साल तक रिलीज ही नहीं हुई थी, वध. It became such a big massive film. और मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि इतनी मैसिव हो जाएगी. एक टाइम तो मैंने गिव अप कर दिया था, नहीं होगी ये रिलीज, कुछ नहीं होगा इसका. And then it suddenly got released and I became one of the. और जब मैं एनिमल कर रहा था, मैं लंदन में था, तो वहाँ पर जितने भी लोग थे वो मेरे को वध से जान रहे थे. उससे पहले लोग मुझे सेक्रेड गेम से जानते थे. तो वध से जान रहे थे, तो जो भी मेरे पास आता था, जिस रेस्टोरेंट में था वहाँ पर जो शेफ वगैरह थे, सब मेरे पास आके, ओह आई सॉ यू वध, मैं कहा what has become so big. So there is, any film can be big, it can be, yeah, so yeah.
But then
Thank you so
how overwhelming is this feeling? Whatever was happening after the release of Animal, people were going mad for you as well.
Yeah.
It was like such an ensemble cast, but still Saurabh Sachdeva अलग से उठ के दिखे थे. That feeling for an actor is very overwhelming. तो उस time पे did you cry?
No, not
Were you like very normal?
I was happy that I did my job well, and the film is getting so much appreciation.
Since we all know you've trained and mentored multiple celebrities in the industry, and
Yeah.
one of which has been Tripti.
Yeah.
Just wanted to understand that did she learn acting the hard way, or did acting naturally come to her?
When she came to the studio, I remember she was one day late, and she was calling me and she says, "Can I come tomorrow?" Because she just landed from Delhi, I think. And I said, "No, if you come tomorrow, you're out." And she said, "No, I want to do this. I don't want to do this." And she came directly from there, and that time my studio was in Aram Nagar, and she was a quiet girl. She was introvert, quiet. और वो जो भी परफॉर्मेंस करती थी ना दीवार के साथ, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम सिटिंग हियर and students are performing, she was always with the wall, right, and working. And I used to just openly comment that those who are working with the wall, please come forward. And she could sense that it's about me, and she used to come forward. But the way she used to listen, that was very profound. I still remember those eyes who always listening very carefully. Her listening was not from any filter, not from any judgment. She was really used to listen, right? And she was very vulnerable. आप उससे बात करो या उसके साथ सीन करो ना, तो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है उसकी आँख के पीछे, और ऐसे छोटा, वो बहुत बड़ा नहीं करती, पर छोटा छोटा कुछ होता रहता है. And that really moved me. And then she started growing, and she kept working with us. And yeah, then you know what happened to her. Everyone knows, yeah. It's her hard work, and it's her commitment to the work. That's how did she approach people? I have no hand in that. बस वो क्लास में थी जैसे बाकी स्टूडेंट थे, and she was learning, and she was very, I only remember she was very good listener. Yeah.
So usually it gets very tough for introverts to get into acting and publicly perform. So is there any strategy or some tip that you exclusively give?
On the contrary, introverts are better actors. I was very introvert when I started as a. Abhi मैं ambivert, right? That's what they
Yeah,
call.
ambi.
Right. So now I'm that. Otherwise, I was introvert. मैं बात नहीं कर पाता था. मैं बहुत चुप रहता था. बहुत, और because I'm dyslexic, right? So from my young age, I couldn't study well. तो मेरी public speaking भी बहुत खराब थी, और मेरे को acting class में बहुत डर लगता था. So with Mr. Barry, I started working on movement, dance drama, and mass work. That really opened me, because that was a vocabulary, not words, but physical vocabulary. Yeah. So because I used to paint and I used to play sports was my thing. So physical vocabulary I started enjoying. And then from there I went to vocabulary, words, and using words. So a lot of introverts make better actor. I feel, and lot of artists around the world, अगर आप history में भी जाएं तो वो काफ़ी introvert थे, काफ़ी अकेले में रहते थे. They used to work. So there is no rule about these things.
शायद एक ठहराव आ जाता है जब आप सीखते हो ना चीज़ें. मेरे हिसाब से एक जनरल तौर पे एक ह्यूमन नेचर, एक बिहेवियर में ठहराव आ जाता है, जो शायद मदद करता है आपको कैमरा पे वो ठहराव दिखाने के लिए. बीइंग एन इंट्रोवर्ट और एक्सट्रोवर्ट, आई गेस. कुछ चीज़ें मैं अभी सीख रही हूँ इनसे, और इन्हीं को ज्ञान दे रही हूँ. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
ओके, ये तो सबका ही क्वेश्चन होगा यहाँ पे. एनिमल पार्क कब आ रही है?
पता नहीं, मुझे पता ही नहीं है. मैं खुद जानना चाहता हूँ कि कब आ रही है. अभी वो पुरानी वाली नहीं खत्म हो रही है. So I'm not sure कि कब.
शूटिंग इज ऑलमोस्ट डन.
किसकी?
एनिमल पार्क?
नहीं, अभी तो शुरू.
लेकिन जो एंडिंग हमें मिली है उसके बाद तो सभी बहुत एक्साइटेड है कुछ नहीं पता आपको
अभी
कब
कुछ
आ
नहीं
रही
पता
है
अभी ही इज मेकिंग हिज ओन
रामायण।
संदीप
अच्छा, वो।
संदीप सर इज मेकिंग हिज ओन फिल्म अभी
The other one, I guess,
व्हाट्स I don't
Spirit.
know Spirit yeah.
Spirit, I guess he's making.
So he's making his film and then he's going to start this. So, मुझे नहीं
Are you
पता.
excited?
About what?
Animal Park.
Definitely. I'm
क्या
looking
roller
forward.
coaster ride होने वाली है? I'm just, I don't know. I feel that there's going to be some unexpected story which is going to slide in, which is going to blow our mind.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Just I'm
अच्छा, it's your intuition.
You know, my intuition of whatever happened during the last scene and the very first opening shot
Yeah.
of Ranbir.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I mean, obviously, but कुछ थोड़ा सा कुछ तो बताओ यार, कुछ तो बताओ. I'm very curious.
I'm honestly telling you, I don't know anything about it. I'm not hiding it. I don't know. They're still writing the story. It's working on. It's work in progress. कब वो मेरे को बताएंगे? कब मुझे? But yes, definitely. I keep talking to Sandeep sir, and we have a good relationship. He talks about my projects and he talks about my performances, and yeah.
How do you find him as a director?
Very good.
People
I-
take him the other way, being violent and, you know, showing the patriarchal side of men. But how do you look at it? Even Animal got bashed for ABC reason. But if you were to give a perspective on everything, what would be your simple
I feel
perspective?
if people are talking about some subject, something, and there is a debate on that, that means it's a good film. Because with the debate we will grow. If there is no debate, हमने popcorn खाया और चले गए, so then okay, अच्छी entertainment film थी. Now there is a debate with the entertainment. कि there is a debate. कि one side is saying this, the other side is saying this, but we're talking about it. So then that will open up a new understanding for filmmakers, for the writers, for the people who are those who understand. अब मैं बहुत अलग-अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से फिल्म देखने लगा हूँ. कभी जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं ये फिल्म में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए और जो लोग बोल रहे हैं ऐसा होना. I'm looking from both the perspective. राइट मुझे जब बन रही थी तब मुझे ये नहीं पता, मेरे को वो सीन्स नहीं पता राइट. बट अभी मैं नए पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देख रहा हूँ कि मैं हाँ ये वाला पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी है. ओ यस सो दैट इज. बट संदीप इज अ वेरी पैशनेट डायरेक्टर. ही इज वेरी वेरी पावरफुल एंड पैशनेट डायरेक्टर. I love him. The energy he had on he was respecting everyone on this, everyone, not just the actors or stars. To somebody who's doing makeup, to spot boy, everyone he was respecting. And no कोई हवा नहीं थी, बस हम काम कर रहे थे और काम कर रहे थे. And he was very passionate, and he is a passionate human being. And when passionate human being speaks, he speaks his heart out. They don't hold, and I like about him, he's very raw and he doesn't hold anything. Yeah. If he wants to say, ठीक है, दूसरे लोगों के अपने point of view हो सकते हैं, which is fine. But he has his point of view and he stands on that. And I will go with these kind of people. I always wanted to be like him, to have a strong point of view about myself and my view.
Yeah, definitely.
Because the climate was very difficult for us. हम shooting 7-8 दिन हमने वो शूट किया था, वो जो फाइट सीक्वेंस है, और इतनी ठंड थी और कभी भी बारिश हो जाती थी. इतनी ठंड थी कि मैं जैकेट उतारता था अपना, ऐसे जैकेट पहना था, उसके ऊपर एक और पहना था, तो उतार के बॉय को देता था, तो वो जब तक भाग के जाता था, क्योंकि इट्स वाज ऑल ओपन एंड द कैमरा कैन मूव एनीवेयर. सो जब तक वो भाग के जाता था तब तक तो बिल्कुल हनिया ऐसे हो जाती थी. तो उसमें हम कहते जल्दी से शॉर्ट हो जाए और फिर जल्दी से मेरे कपड़े वापस आ जाए, पहन लूँ. एंड दीज टू मैन वर बेयर बॉडी ऊपर से, उनके लिए तो और भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल था. आई वाज लाइक वाओ.
As you love teaching.
Yeah.
So I really want to know how Shehnaz Gill is as a student.
Shehnaz is always an impulsive woman. She's very extrovert, impulsive. She speaks her mind out. वो डरती नहीं है किसी से, कुछ भी बोलती है, राइट, और ओपनली बोलती है, शर्माती नहीं है वो. कुछ उसका मीटर हिला हुआ है, वो फट से बोलती है कुछ भी. लाइक शहनाज ये बात क्यों? She speaks everything. She's beautiful. She's very vulnerable, very beautiful woman. Very very nice to work with. when she was doing the coaching in my studio, she used to bring food for everyone, right? भर के खाना लेकर आती थी, and I was like, she wants to give to people, give to people. अभी भी हम एक और workshop कर रहे थे, 7 days workshop where a lot of celebrities were there. Celebrities means those who are working actors, right? So then also she was bringing food. She was like so playful, so enjoying, very powerful. I love her. Yeah.
Why ऐसे ही दिमाग में आया, do people really fail as an actor or like what it is? I don't know.
What do you mean fail as an actor?
Fail as an actor, maybe not succeed as an actor. आप कोशिश कर रहे हो, it's not hitting. What you've imagined, you know, where कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ पहुँचना है, वो हो ही नहीं रहा है सालों से. It takes years.
Yeah.
पंकज जी को शायद 18 साल लग गए थे, 13 साल लग गए थे कि वो अभी जाने गए हैं पंकज त्रिपाठी के नाम से.
Right.
कुछ लोग उम्मीद छोड़ देते हैं, कुछ लोग गिव अप कर देते हैं, कुछ लोग हार मान के वापस चले जाते हैं बॉम्बे से. What exactly it is? आपने इतने साल, you've been in the industry for so long. Have you ever decoded this कि लोग क्यों चले जाते हैं?
I have only decoded that only thing which matters is action. Only, not your intention, not your emotion, only action. Are you every day taking action? Right? And not in your head taking action कि मैं तो यहाँ बैठा हूँ बॉम्बे में 10 साल से और मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मेरे को कुछ काम मिल रहा नहीं है. काम मिलेगा नहीं. You have to get up. Not every book on the bookshelf, when you go to a bookstore, not every book sells by itself. मतलब कि माउथ पब्लिसिटी से बिक रही है. सबके लिए आपको कुछ एफर्ट डालना पड़ता है. एंड द वेरी गुड बुक, बट आपको एफर्ट डालना पड़ता है. Similarly, I have to put myself out there. I have to riyaz every day. I riyaz every day. 7 to 9 I riyaz every day in the morning. Okay. From last many years. My team and me riyaz every day. 9 o'clock we start the class. Quarter to 9 I riyaz. Right? And people say, मेरे को तो आ गया, मेरे को नहीं आया अभी तक, मैं अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ. I'm still learning how to teach. I'm still learning how to be an actor. Right? It's riyaz. So my point is, people don't riyaz. They don't practice. They don't take action ki go out and ask for work. To search for work. They don't. They just sit home and they 4 लोगों को ऐसे बिठा लेते हैं अपने साथ और बोलते हैं एक दिन मैं फाड़ दूंगा, एक दिन मैं कर दूंगा. क्या कर देगा? Nothing will happen. Because you're just talking, you're just sitting home and you're just fantasizing or you're imagining that this is going to be one day my world. It never works like that. Only 1 or 2 people, वो भी चांस होता है कि किसी के साथ, नहीं तो majorly people have to every day. You have to take interviews like this every day to run. To make it big. One day, after maybe a year or 2, you will be something else. You'll be like, wow, this woman is taking so many interviews and she's shining. Because she's taking action. Right? Today only I was reading Picasso, he made almost 20,000 paintings जब उससे पहले जब वो famous हुए थे. So people do it. And मैं कितने सालों से I've got success Secret Game after 17 years of my work and I used to work 12 hours a day. 12 hours a day. मतलब मैं सुबह से शाम तक पढ़ाता था और शाम को थिएटर करता था बैरी सर के साथ. So it is like that. It is the only one who can crack is who stay on their focus and they keep doing every day. Emotion आएगा या नहीं आएगा? I keep asking my student, do you think from last 24 years of teaching, every day I am happy and teaching? Or every day I'm excited to teach? That's not possible. But do I teach every day? Yes. So my emotion has not made me a great coach. My action has made me a great coach.
The consistency.
Yeah. The other example I give, अगर आप गाड़ी के एक्सीलेटर पे पैर लगाएंगे तो गाड़ी कहाँ जाएगी अगर वो ऑन है तो? आगे जाएगी ना. आज आप खुश हैं और गाड़ी के एक्सीलेटर पे पैर लगाएंगे, गाड़ी कहाँ जाएगी?
आगे.
आप दुखी हैं और गाड़ी के एक्सीलेटर पे पैर लगाएं,
आगे.
आप जेलस हैं और गाड़ी के एक्सीलेटर. एक्शन को कोई इमोशन से मतलब नहीं है. We sit on our emotion. We sit on our intention. We have to sit on action. Action has to be the dominant thing. And people who have achieved have taken action. So I keep saying, keep action, keep on taking action. She's taking action. You people are taking action. I am taking action. I have come here with my busy schedule. I have come here.
Yeah.
People will know me. चाहे मेरा मूड हो या करने का या नहीं हो, but मुझे करना है. That's the point. That's the game here. Game is that. And every day I'm not be happy to give every interview. No. Or every class. That's not possible. Humanly, emotion will go up and down. My inspiration will go or come back. But my action is going to be every day I reach to the class, I take class. And magically what happens is, after half an hour or 15 minutes, I started enjoying that.
I mean, that was something which was very moving.
Yeah, thank you.
But क्या आप अच्छे मूड में आए हो या नहीं यार?
मैं तो आया हूँ.
My question, like,
मैं देखो तैयार हो
उन्होंने
गया हूँ अच्छे से.
मतलब जिस मोमेंट पे उन्होंने बोला ना कि यू नेवर नो मैं मूड में हूँ नहीं हूँ, मेरे दिमाग में आ गया था, मैं आपसे ही पूछूंगी, मूड में तो आया हो?
Yes, definitely.
वो होना चाहिए.
Hello, my name is Nishika. So we saw John Sir's interview for Diplomat, where he took your name many times that you have trained him. So what was your experience and what message you would like to give?
Before you say anything, there's this one notion with John is that he's not very expressive. Even on screen, people say that he just know how to express that angry emotion. But you've trained him. You know his vulnerabilities as well. You know the other side as well. What do you have to say on that?
I felt when I met him for the first time, he was most honest person I met. एक घंटा उन्होंने पूरी honesty से अपने बारे में बताया कि what kind of actor he is, what comes in between, and what stops him, right? And I was like moved by that. I keep giving example. I was moved by that. Then I told John, this is an honesty is first step. Now we have to get into this, right? For example, I am honest that I don't know swimming. I am honest that मेरे को पानी में ठंड लगेगा. I am honest जब मैं कपड़े उतारूंगा मुझे शर्म आएगी. But I have to get into the pool. The honesty is one thing. That उससे मेरे को पता लग रहा है क्या हो रहा है. But then we have to. And he said, I'm ready. Saurabh, that's why you're here. And let's do this. And we're doing a next film now. And I'm still working. So we continuously, he's liking it. He wants to shift something in him. He says, I want to prove. I've always proved myself. I've always proved. And look at the work he has produced or कौन उस टाइम विक्की डोनर प्रोड्यूस करता जब उन्होंने करी थी, राइट? आई एम टेलिंग यू, और वो भी किसी नए इंसान पर इतनी बड़ी बेट लगाता. लाइक he's done that वाटर, कितनी सारी चीजें इन्होंने बिल्कुल अलग करने की कोशिश करी है, राइट? एंड आई फील he's in the place where he really wants to shift something. Like in this film, what's the name of the film? Pathaan. He was in Pathaan, right? Jawan. Yeah, he was one. And he was so good in that plane scene. He was so good. And also when Shah Rukh comes to his place and he's sitting and he's eating and he's looking around, he was good. He's trying to work on it. He's really pushing himself. And that's what beautiful about him is कि इस time पे भी career में he's still pushing. You should learn from that. That you never know. कल को तुम्हारे को ऐसा कुछ सरप्राइज मिला कि oh shit ये क्या हो गया यार? Because there is a will now to कि मेरे को अब कुछ और break करना है, कुछ और नया करना है. And Diplomat में people have talked about his performance somehow. He said I was so comfortable doing that. Yeah, so let's see.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Also, like, I have one request. So, like in recent interviews, we saw Bobby sir had mentioned that, for Jamal Kudu, there was no choreographer.
Yeah.
Then he approached, he said, yeah, how would you dance on that?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
So, if you can do that hook step.
Oh God. वो तो तुमने देखा ही
With all of us.
With all of us.
नहीं होता है.
वहाँ पर
All would love to do it.
एक तो सबसे पहली बात मुझे ना बहुत there's a big confusion. Was it you? Was it Bobby sir? Was it Vanga sir who जिसने ये step discover किया था? Because there have been 2-3 theories about this and I want to know it from you. Who was the person who discovered that particular step?
When I entered the room,
Yeah.
It was marriage का scene चल रहा था और ये सब चीजें चल रही थी and everyone was dressed very well and Bobby sir was standing there. मैं ऐसे enter किया, Bobby sir was standing there, cameras were here and I got very nervous looking at him. He was looking so handsome. I'm like, and then and I said okay, and then I started doing my exercise, which I normally do. How do I feel? So I feel nervous, I feel conscious, I feel this. And how do I feel looking at the floor? How do I feel looking at these paintings? And suddenly I realized there is music playing in the room. जब आप nervous और conscious होते हो, वो सब दिखता नहीं है ना, कुछ दिखता नहीं है, कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता. You have that feeling, everything gets filtered. And then I was not listening to the music. And then I thought, how do I feel about this music? And I did. This is what I felt. And then I looked at him. He was there talking to Sandeep sir. I went to him and I looked at them and they were thinking about how to move. तो मैंने, he said, how will you move? मैंने कहा, मैं तो ये करता, करके दिखा दोबारा से. And then I went a little more down doing that. He said, I'll do this and I'll keep the glass on my head. And then we were happy and we were doing it.
It was viral. And we are going to do the viral step now.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
वहाँ पे एक माहौल होता है, वहाँ पे पैसे मिलते हैं.
अरे क्या बात होगी?
वहाँ पे पैसे मिलते हैं.
सब चीजें पैसों के लिए नहीं होती.
मैं तो कर रहा हूँ आजकल, बहुत साल हो गए ये सारा काम करते हुए. पैसे के लिए नहीं, पैसे के लिए नहीं. पैशन पैशन पैशन, पैसा भी चाहिए.
Passion.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah,
we will.
No, we
We
will
ask you.
now.
I'll ask you what you have seen there and how good you are.
We also do it along
You
with you.
have to do it.
Yes.
Yeah, you
Yes,
are
yes.
going to, be the center.
ठीक है.
Be in the center. चलो, करे?
पहले क्वेश्चन पूछना था उसने. She has to
अच्छा
ask.
इनको बहुत ज़्यादा बातें हो गई, अभी थोड़ा फन वाले पार्ट में जाते हैं.
ये फन नहीं थी बातें.
ये अरे नहीं, ये बातें तो बहुत ज्ञान वाली थी. आई एम पर्सनली वेरी मूव्ड.